checkpoint 14.4.4. How do you replace the code in line 26, 27 using one statement? So we are looking at this, basically how to use a pane. Okay, so this is the container belongs to JavaFX. As you can see, this application extend application class, which is part of the JavaFX, which is a graphic user interface GUI. So we have a circle object. Then we create a pane that's going to be added to scenes with a title. Then scene will be added to the stage so that it can display contents of circle with this particular size. Okay, 100 by 100 pixels with radius 50. Then when you run it, we are launching it with this in IDE. So that's why we need this. Okay. Otherwise, we don't really need it. It will automatically launch by this particular class. So we are looking at this. How do we combine? If you think about it, that you can comment it. The pane class, okay, this one has a constructor. Okay, you can actually add a layout. Okay, one of the layout happen to be this particular pane. So we can just add the circle class. Circle object, not class, circle object. And that's it. That's what you can do. Let's learn it. Then have a look. Okay, this is the one. Show title up here. Looks a bit smaller. That's the title, and coordination by 100 to 100 coordination here, pixel size, which is 50. Okay, title is here, show title. Okay, that's it. Okay, that's how you can write it in one sentence to answer this question. Okay, that's it. Thank you.